the National Marine Fisheries Service announces its determination that catastrophic conditions exist as a result of Hurricane Ian for the Florida counties of Pinellas, Hillsborough, Polk, Orange, Osceola, Manatee, Hardee, Highlands, Sarasota, DeSoto, Charlotte, Glades, Lee, Henry, Collier, Volusia, Seminole, Flagler, St. John's, Duval, and Nassau, and for the South Carolina county of Horry. Therefore, within the affected areas, all dealers with federal permits are authorized to delay electronic reporting if unable to access the Internet. Dealers in individual fishing quota programs are authorized to use paper-based forms, if necessary, for IFQ reporting such as landings, transactions, and permitted Gulf Reef fish, South Atlantic snapper, grouper, and dolphin and wahoo, and camp for hire vessels are authorized to delay electronic reporting, if necessary. This authorization will remain in effect through November 7, 2022. Questions should be directed to the Fisheries Monitoring Branch at 305-361-4581, the IFQ Customer Service at 866-425-7627, or C-Fire Customer Service number at 833-707-1632. For fisheries permit questions, contact Permits Customer Service at 877-376-4877.